Hey folks, Derek James again, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter right here in Bossier City. Remember this, it's very important. We are Louisiana's family owned and operated RV store right here in the Arklatex and have done this for over 44 years. If you've even researched in a minute or two on RVs, you're very aware of the name Grand Design. The #1 name in the RV industry is the Grand Design. We have the 2021 31G Grand Design Momentum Toy Hauler to show y'all. Bumper pull toy hauler with all the quality that anybody, any family could ever want. Real wood cabinets, plywood floors, only the best Thomas Paine recliners, flat screen TV, fridge, freezer, upgraded cooktop and oven, cabinets galore, and again, real wood and real hinges on everything that Grand Design makes. You got your side-by-side, you got your Harley, you got your golf cart, you got extra sleeping, the kids. Huge toy box area. It's opposing couches, or perhaps you can fold it back down and it's more sleeping for you. Plus an electric drop down full-size bed as well. Half bath in the back. A lot of folks call this your mud room, but because there's no carpet on the floors, you bring up your muddy 4x4s, your side-by-sides, just spray it out. So the impact of a toy hauler, all the luxury of living in your living area, bedroom slide, plenty of storage in the bathroom and the bedroom. And folks, it does come with an Onan 4K generator. The #1 name, the Grand Design Momentum 31G Toy Hauler. And it is exclusively here at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, BayouOutdoor.com, right here in Bossier City.